November 6th. Fast-moving clouds. Huge windstorm this morning knocked down a huge old birch tree over here. You can see it lying down right there. There. These trees, they could all fall. This one looks like it's going to fall. Oh well. Watch the fast-moving clouds. Fast. Very fast. Notice the sun during meditation was green from the heart chakra. So today's sun color is green for some reason. Meaning that tree right there is a sign too. Looks like that's facing north. And right there where it broke off reminds me of Lauren Harris's North of Lake Superior painting. And there seems to be an angel, sometimes looks like Jesus in there. And it lights up at certain times, shows certain signs, symbols and wonders. Thank you, God. Winds are coming back, so I'm going to go in. The dog's scared. She won't go do her usual business. Come on, Zoey, let's go. Don't be scared, Zoey. Don't be scared.